What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Freestyle Libre 3, an issue that I have with this. Go ahead and smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell if you have not joined our community. We would love to have you. So stay tuned right after this intro. I had a little bit of a rant today. Really kind of frustrated with Freestyle Libre. I don't know if you use the sensors or not, but if you do, I hope this video helps you out a lot. I have been using the Freestyle Libre for the last 4 years. I've had the first one, I've had the second one. I did have a few issues on the second one with being so hot in summer, it falling off, or hitting a doorpost when I'm walking through, not paying attention, and the thing just falls right off. If you have an Apple phone, you could probably relate, but I had a lot of issues with sticking it up to my sensor and it not wanting to read. I had to close out of the app several times to get it to work eventually, so I had a lot of problems with the app on the second one. I'm gonna tell you in this video what I like about the Freestyle Libre 3, and then I'm gonna tell you why I'm irritated with these sensors, okay? So first of all, why do I like the Freestyle Libre 3rd generation sensors better than the first and second? Because it makes things so much easier. The third one, it's a whole nother ball game. I do not have to put my phone up to the sensor anymore to see what my glucose levels are. My phone can sit beside me when I'm going to sleep and I can hear an alarm. If my blood sugar is crashing, I can hear an alarm. If my blood sugar is going too high, it'll send to my watch, which is awesome. I do not have to use my phone really like I did on the first and second generation. So I love that. That is the main thing I love about this Freestyle Libre sensor, 3rd generation. So let's just get to it. Why do I not like this sensor? This sensor right here, it's another one that messed up. This is like the 4th one that's messed up in the last 3 months. I'm getting really tired of dealing with this. So I can get another one replaced by Abbott by calling them and spending 30 minutes on the phone, telling them what happened, telling them what serial number I have, telling them what kind of app version I have. But guys, I'm getting tired of it. I don't have the time to keep calling these people. It's really inconvenient when this thing falls off, because then I have to get another one refilled, and sometimes there's not even a refill on it. I have to get a hold of my doctor, and blah. So anyways, this is one thing I do not like about the Freestyle Libre 3rd generation. Everything is awesome with it, but if it doesn't work, it doesn't really matter. I need to send that one back, but I don't even know if I'm gonna send it back. I might send it back, I'm sure I probably will, but it's just frustrating because this will be the 4th one that I sent back in the last 2 or 3 months. So guys, if you can relate to this, if you have a Freestyle Libre 3, if you've been having issues like I've been with the application telling you that you need a new sensor because all of a sudden your sensor just crapped out on you after putting it on like maybe 1 or 2 days, and all of a sudden it just doesn't want to work anymore, go ahead and drop a comment below. I'd like to know what your thoughts are. Maybe you haven't had any issues with it, and man, that's awesome if you haven't. Anyways, guys, thanks for checking the video out today. As I said before, if this is your first time coming to this channel, this is your first time seeing this, please consider subscribing to this channel. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And guys, listen, if you've been coming to this channel, if you've been drawing information off these videos, this content that I'm putting out, I'm putting a lot of time in, please consider subscribing to the channel. Please consider sharing this video with everyone that you think would benefit from it, because it really does truly help my channel. It's not any money out of your pocket. It's just simply subscribing for free, maybe hitting that share button. Guys, the more likes I get on my videos, the more it'll push out in the algorithm. So thank you so much, guys. I plan on putting a lot more content on this channel when it comes to diabetes, when it comes to weight loss, when it comes to exercise, what's good for diabetics, what's good for building muscle, what's working for me, sleep, everything related to health that I've discovered. And also men's grooming, men's fragrances. I've got a lot of cool stuff coming, and I want to share it with you soon what it's going to be. I'm looking forward to it. Really excited about some content that's going to be coming out, and I'm going to be sharing with other people on my channel. So guys, stay tuned. Thank you. Have a great night. God bless, and have a great weekend. See you in the next one.